Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys oppo phone guys home screen setting. And in this video friends I will show you guys how to set app driver mode setting and how to use app driver on oppo phone friends. In this video we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends. You don't swipe, and guys you have this problem to swipe to your check all app list. So friends you will have to click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on home and lock screen setting, home screen mode, app driver mode and simple mode. Friends we want to set, select I want to set friends app driver mode. I will apply here and switch. Friends app driver mode will set, and friends now guys we can swipe, and friends we can use app driver. So where we can use get this all icon with app driver on oppo phone. So like that friends you can set app driver, and friends you can set with shortcut setting guys. Click here, app driver setting, we will search here guys, and friends direct guys you can search here. Friends you can see driver mode, click here, direct friends you can set from here, apply here and use it. Friends app driver mode will set, and friends we can swipe and we can use all icon with app driver. So like that friends you can set app driver on your oppo phone device guys. And friends you want to use simple mode setting, so you can select, apply and switch. So friends you can use a simple mode. So as I don't want to guys, I will click on app driver. And friends you want to change your home screen layout, you want to lock friends home screen layout, you can lock from here and you can change from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.